Site selection of wind turbine. Consideration during the site selection: high annual average wind speed, altitude of proposed site, terrain and aerodynamics, ease of transportation, nearness of user, and local ecology and nature of ground. Then the best site are the sea coast, mountains and plains. Wind farms. Wind farm or wind park is a group of wind turbines in the same location used to produce energy. Offshore wind farms. Wind farms located right off the coast or in sea using floating platform. These are the offshore wind farms in the seas. And onshore wind farms are the less wind power available than offshore, less coexistence, usually near to user, but create noise and visual. These are on the land. These are the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan and London, United Kingdom. Location of wind farms. Worldwide, there are now 200,000 wind turbines operating. Total nameplate capacity of 318,105 megawatt. These are the different countries. China is on the first, second United States, third Germany, fourth Spain and India on the fifth. In India, Tamil Nadu is first, Gujarat second, third Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Safety system. Emergency stop. If a situation arises which calls for the wind turbine to be stopped immediately, it is used and wind turbine to stop in few seconds by feathering of the blade directly into the wind. Computer and sensor. The wind turbine is controlled by a computer and data from the sensor which monitor the most important gauging instrument and compare the result. If found error, wind turbine is stopped. Lighting rods. The wind turbine system is protected from lighting by these C rods going from the tip of the blades to the ground. Temporary rope system. This system provides temporary false protection during construction, maintenance or inspection of the wind. Advantages. Good for environment as it uses renewable source of energy, no pollution. Wind is freely available in nature, no cost, can be set up in remote areas where electricity through transmission wire cannot be reached. So, no land cost is much land cost is required. Clean source of energy and it does not produce any greenhouse gases. Other pollutant. Once set up is completed, the cost of generation electricity becomes less. Only installation cost is high. Can be combined with solar electricity to give reliable supply of electricity. So the life is disadvantage. Site specific, suited to particular region. So depend on the site, create a lot of noise, disturbance. Prediction of wind is difficult, so it is unfortunate also. Threat to wildlife. So wildlife can be lost, cause of visual impact, high initial cost, large requirement of land or wind farm. Turbine interface with the reception, television and communication feature. Wind farm can provide a surplus of reliable clean energy to society. Wind alone cannot solve today's energy crisis in one day, but together with many other forms of renewable power, maybe someday we can help to relieve damage of our planet, because the overconsumption of fossil fuels. Price of wind power is coming down. Technological development as application specific. Offshore, limited land source areas, transportation or construction limitations, low wind source, cold climate, and can be cost competitive for electrification if fossil energy cost skyrockets. These are the costs coming down in 90s. The cost is high and then nowadays it's going